With the arrest of 5 persons, Meghalaya police have busted an interstate gold smuggling racket. Meghalaya DGP Dr. L.R. Bishnoi informed that on the 24th of June, Ribhoi police at Nongpo recovered 7 gold biscuits of foreign origin worth rupees 50 lakhs from a person travelling from Shillong. Following this, an operation was conducted leading to the arrest of 4 others. 3 of the 5 accused in the case are from Assam and 2 from Meghalaya. 27 lakh in cash was also seized in the operation, the DGP informed.
We have arrested 5 people, namely Abu Bekar from Barpeta district of Assam, Aziz Lingdo from Dhobi Ghat Laban of Shillong, Sahanja again of Barpeta Assam, and one lady Subalin Kharbani from Mawlai district of Shillong, and one Muhammad Sadiq Ali again of Barpeta of Assam. And the operation started on long back on 24th June, and yesterday only successfully operation was concluded after the arrest of Muhammad Sadiq Ali, the last accused wanted in this case. So we have seized 7 number of biscuits, gold biscuits, each biscuit weighing 117 gram. So total weight is 819 gram, and this is a 24 karat pure gold. And the market cost of these biscuits as on today is approximately 50 lakh rupees. On the basis of the interrogation statement of Abu Bakars, we have conducted multiple raids in the various locations of Meghalaya as well as Assam, and we were able to apprehend one Shanjha from Barpeta districts, and we have recovered total 27 lakh rupees and 11,480 cash. In cash, we have also seized 4 ATM cards, 3 identity cards, and 10 numbers of mobile phones. So after the CDR analysis, we found that the interstate gang is operating to smuggle gold from Bangladesh to Meghalaya, and from Meghalaya to Guwahati, and from Guwahati to Siliguri, and then other parts of India. So far we have arrested total 5 people, and we unearthed the nexus between the Assam as well as the Meghalaya criminals. These 5 number of accused, earlier they were indulged in drug trafficking and fake currency racket also. After collecting information from the Assam police, we found their involvement in drug trafficking, and when the Assam police has arrested many drug traffickers and seized large number of contrabands, after that they decided to switch over to gold smuggling business. And their intention was to lure the youth of Shillong, both boys and girls, for illegal activities, particularly the drug trafficking and the gold smuggling. Their target was to convert nearly 4,000 youths from Shillong alone to take them into the illegal business of gold smuggling and also the drug trafficking. This we came to know from the documents recovered from the accused. So Kingpin is probably in Bangladesh, who is coordinating the gold flow from Bangladesh to India, particularly Northeast India, West Bengal, Assam, and all other northeastern states. The exact identity of Kingpin was not disclosed by the accused person so far, because they have given us certain linkages, certain nickname only. So the moment our team will zeroing on, then we will be able to disclose further about it.